Can you guys change signature on Docusign? Today we will talk about if you can change signature on Docusign. Well, you kind of can. So the process is pretty simple. For that, you just have to go to Google and search for Docusign. After searching for Docusign, we will go to the Docusign website, which should be docusign.com. Now in the docusign.com, you have to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will see different type of options. Here, you just have to click on your signature and it will open up your signatures, whichever you can. As you can see, you won't be able to add a new name because you have created this. However, just in case if you want to draw it, you can draw it and add your custom name and change it according to you. So it will just you just click on this create and then type something like that and then click on create and that sign will be created. You will easily be able to use it while signing a document. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to change signature on DocuSign. Hope you guys find this very helpful.